that there is a second trade today. There will be cases like that also. You can take two trades. Once you start observing this particular software keenly every day in the morning, then you will understand how many trades you can take every day also. I think that answers you, Harsha. Angela. Sir, today you are practically seeing a gap up open. That is the market today. Today market is gap up. So you are seeing the gap up open. There is nothing like gap up, gap down, flat market for this. This particular system is designed in such a way that you get 10% profit every day. Every day you can take a profit of 10% on your investment. And that is how it is designed. It doesn't have anything to do with gap up. Okay, gap up, fine. 9:15, there is a gap up. After that, you have the rest of the trades. Today we didn't get a call in Nifty still because there was a gap up. But if you see in case of SBI, Tata Motors, L&T, TCS or Reliance, what happens is this trades we get at 9:20. We refresh the data at 9:20. So your gap up is already gone within that 5 minutes. It retraces and then comes back, or it goes up or goes down. It is this particular software reads all that. So now what we do is we trade after 9. Since we are trading after 9:20, the gap up and gap down impact is not there on us. And in some cases like Reliance, there was a gap down. Yes, there was a very big gap down. Gap down in the sense, see, I'm showing you, it was a very big gap up for Reliance Open today. You're seeing the time below, that is 9:20. There was a gap up, but it reversed back. Since we have loaded the current day data at 9:20, it has given a clear sell call here. So you're seeing this all in red. Though Reliance went on and gap up today, we have got a sell call here. So it doesn't impact us. And you can even check all the past posts also where we had gap up of 100 points also. We did definitely have some very good trades on that day also. I think that answers you. So there your Bank Nifty has again done this intermediate target. It will come back. You don't have to panic here. Harsha, you don't have to worry about proprietary. We are the proprietary for this. And what happens behind the software, I won't be able to tell you. And I would suggest in case if people who have bought and then people who would like to buy, don't try and do that, because you'll finally be corrupting the software. That's it. So we have got a sell call in Nifty. So the strike is 1600. So you buy and put option at 80.57 and then you trade. Okay, it has done its target one, Nifty. Harsha, you don't get the chart. The charting software is called as Trading Tree software. That is not the part of the package. So they are completely, entirely different products in itself. This option tree is purely for intraday options. Trading tree, we do even intraday positional calls. We do even commodities, currencies, everything in that. That is purely a technical analysis software where if you have little bit of, you don't need actually to have an technical analysis part also. So I think the markets are taken on the trend today. It is all sell. So there you go. The Bank Nifty has already done 15% profit. Nifty has done 4.5%. Tata Motors, it started. So definitely it's coming down. It should come down. We should get some profits or the other, at least the intermediate targets on Tata Motors. Here you, in case if someone would have observed, you can even trade this way also. Reliance started with a very clear trend of red, that is a sell call. So in case if you would have risked and if you would have taken a call also from the final target, if you would have shorted in futures, you would have definitely made 30% profit. You can see the difference from the final target to the expanding target. It is 30%. Or you could have bought and put option again there at 880 strike price, and then you could have definitely made 400 this, let's say 15 minus 3, 15 minus 18 is 3 into 250 is the lot size. Okay, we have a confirmation of a sell call in Bank Nifty. That is in my trading tree. So it is going to do its final targets very comfortably, maybe even the expanding targets also, which will give us around 30% profits, 33% profit. So Nifty has already done intermediate target again. Okay, Bank Nifty has done its final target, that is 18%. So for a person who can take a risk, what I would suggest is put your stop loss now here for Bank Nifty at target 4 and let it reach expanding target. First target 7. Once you get target 7, change your stop loss to target 5 and then wait till it reaches expanding target. So 30% profit on a single script is a wonderful return. So I was just talking about the softwares what we have. This is option tree purely for intraday options, and we have the trading tree which is both intraday and positional, where you can do all the all the segments. That's equity, futures, options, currency, commodity, NCDX also. And we do have another software which is again Excel based, and that is called as futures tree, where you can trade on 30 scripts in futures. That also has auto trades. All the three have auto trades. Auto trades in the sense you can place the trade automatically, but the exit is depends on you. The exit will be on you itself. So in case if you want to take 10% profit, you can exit at 10%. So we have just left that open. Yes, Harsha, we have selected this 7 scripts with an historical data of around 3 years. And you can even check this in the NSE site. You can just check their database also. These are the scripts that will be in the top 20 trading in options any day. There are few scripts also which keep popping in and popping out every now and then. But when you consider the kind of quantity, the volumes that trade in options, it's only these 7. We did have McDowell's earlier, but McDowell's we were finding some data problems, so we switched it to TCS. But seems like TCS is performing very well now, because now as per market capitalization also they do lead the Indian market. So I think it's giving fair, decent returns of around 20% every day. And Nifty and Bank Nifty are the highly traded ones in options. And SBI, and we paired it with Bank Nifty so that it can be a pair. Tata Motors, this is one thing which always works. L&T also. And Reliance, no doubt, we should always be having it on options. So we are just have only the 7 scripts. And usually what happens is if you just type in your number at 5 and then start trading, you can start off with five scripts. Maybe you can start off with 2 or 3 scripts every day, and then once you get used to the interface, then you can actually start